today we will be playing with Aqua Magic Mat. And this is a magical mat. You want to see it? Let's open it. So this is a magic painting book. Airplane. So there are step-by-step instructions on how to make an airplane cactus, and there are like 21 pages. There are like 23 things that you can make. Okay, then what is this? You have opened the mat. So this is the mat. This is the magical mat where Shreya will do the painting. And what is this? Let's open it. What is this? These are the magical pens. Okay, so there are 3 pens. We need to fill water in these pens and do the painting. So this is mess-free painting. There are different shapes.
House.
Yeah, this is a house. Good. Okay, next is we have some stencils. So this is a car with A to M alphabets. This is an elephant with the rest of the alphabets. This is an owl with different shapes, and these are the numbers. Okay.
Speaker.
Yeah. So this is the Aqua Magic Mat. It has like dinosaurs on the sides, different dinosaurs made on the sides, and some stencils, some shape, and we have these magic pens and we will draw. So we will fill the water and see. So we will open it, okay? Okay, so we will color this mat and let it dry for a few minutes. Very good. S. Very good. R. It's B. You have to write R. R लिखो फिर से. Very good. E. Very good. Y. Yeah, very good. E. Y.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Y.
Y.
Hmm. Y. A. No? Hey, good job. So they have stencils for different shapes, alphabets and numbers, and kids can learn writing these alphabets and numbers and shapes by tracing them. Okay, so now we are using a normal brush to paint the mat because it is very big. And we will see what's inside the mat. Oh, there is a ball?
Yeah.
Okay. And we also see some alphabets appearing on the mat. Wow. What is this, Shreya?
A, B, C, D, E, F, D, A, D, P, L, P,
L, M,
L,
N,
M, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Can you tell me the colors of different dinosaurs?
Pink. Green.
What is that green one?
Crocodile.
It's a crocodile.
And this one?
Then
Frog.
it's a frog?
Yeah.
Where is the frog? Okay, it's a frog. And there are some plants, some stones.
Yeah.
The fun part is that it will dry and disappear in a few minutes. You can see already this has started drying. So it is a mess-free painting. You just need to fill the water in the pens and color it. So in few minutes it will turn white as before.
Bye, kids.
Bye kids!